Welcome to Advanced Hair Studio, where we embark on a hair-raising journey through the stages of hair loss. Fear not, follicularly challenged friends, as we sprinkle humor along the way to lighten the mood. So relax, and let's dive into the world of hair loss. Stage 1, what's that phase? In this initial stage, you notice extra hairs in the sink and on your pillow. It's time to face reality. Your hair is playing hide and seek, and it's winning. But fear not, Advanced Hair Studio is here to help you reclaim your luscious locks and bid adieu to hair loss. Stage 2, the comb-over catastrophe. Denial sets in as you get creative with your remaining hair. The trusty comb-over becomes your ally, attempting to cover those sparse areas. You may fool yourself into channeling George Clooney or Jessica Alba, but your hair's secret is out. No worries, though, Advanced Hair Studio offers a range of solutions, from hair restoration to laser therapy. Stage 3, the rocking the bald look. Congratulations! You've embraced the power of the bald look. Let go of your remaining strands and sport that smooth, shiny dome. If you miss the feeling of a full head of hair, Advanced Hair Studio provides cutting-edge hair replacement techniques to help you regain that youthful mane. Stage 4, the Back to the Future. Finally, dreams come true. Picture yourself with a head full of hair rivaling Fabio or Rapunzel. It's not just fantasy, it's possible with Advanced Hair Studio. In conclusion, at Advanced Hair Studio, we navigate the stages of hair loss with humor and sophistication. Our team is here to guide you. Step into the future, where luscious locks await. What are you waiting for? Book your consultation now.